Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 25th of August, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we are finishing up our iReady in class today as well as tomorrow. You do need to make sure that you have your composition notebook for math class tomorrow, because the plan is we're going to go through and get that set up for you. In science, you have your lab contract that you need to go through and read and get that signed. In social studies, there is no homework. Language arts is a two-part assignment. Part one is you have 5 questions that you need to answer in complete sentences, where our sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. Once you've done that, you need to take those answers and go into Google Classroom, and there is a form for you to go and fill out for Mrs. Murray. Please make sure that you fill this out in complete sentences, and when you're done, you must submit the assignment. That assignment is due by 7:45 a.m. tomorrow morning. In literature, there is no homework, as we are still working on iReady testing within the class. CNL and FCS 6, there is no homework as well. Just a couple of things here. You can click for our 6th grade policies and procedures. Here's a nice little link for you, as you can take a look on that at home. That's also posted on our main webpage for the middle school. That's it for this Monday. Everyone make it a good one.